Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you clip your pet's nails at home, then you want a pair of clippers that are super sharp, that are easy to squeeze, and are not going to bother your pet. I'm so glad that I found this pair of clippers from Gobeigo because it ticks all of those boxes. We've been trimming the nails on my mom's dog. Both sides of these clippers have notches. So when my elderly mother goes to clip her dog's nails, it's so much easier for her to keep a good handle on these, which makes the process much smoother for her and for her dog, Joey. Whether your pet is small or large, these clippers can accommodate that. We're so delighted with how quickly these cut, and because they're not electric, we don't have to worry about any kind of extra noise bothering Joey and making him freak out. You also get a nail file with this set of clippers, so if you want to give your pet like the perfect manicure, this is the way to go. These are made with steel and they're going to last a really long time. Plus there's no splitting or cracking of the nails when you cut. It's just a very clean edge. Mom, Joey, and I definitely recommend this set from Gobeigo, and that's our point of view.